In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. Managing recurring tasks efficiently is crucial for consistent project execution. While true recurring task creation often involves advanced setups, establishing a solid notification system is a key first step. This tutorial will show you how to automate sending a notification whenever a task's status changes, which acts as a timely reminder or signal for your recurring activities within Monday.com. This foundational automation can significantly enhance your workflow. To begin, navigate to the specific Monday.com board where you wish to set up this automation. Once you're on your board, look towards the top right corner and click on the Automate button. This button is your central control for setting up automated rules and streamlining various processes within your Monday.com projects. Once you're in the Automation Center, you'll see various pre-built recipe options. For precise control over your recurring task notification, we will create our automation from scratch. Go ahead and click on Create from Scratch. This gives you full flexibility to define both the trigger and the action specifically for your rule. Next, we need to define the trigger, the specific event that will activate our automation. Find and click on the When This Happens section. Here, you specify the exact condition Monday.com needs to detect for your automation to spring into action. To link this automation to the progress of your tasks, click on Status Changes to Something. This means your automation will activate whenever a task's status column is updated to a specific value that you choose. For example, marking a task as done could then trigger a reminder for the next recurring action. You will specify the exact status later in the setup process. With the trigger now set, it's time to define the action that Monday.com will perform once that trigger condition is met. Move to the Then Do This section and click on it. This is where you specify the desired outcome of your automation. For our recurring task reminder, we will select Notify. This action ensures that a notification is sent when your chosen status change occurs. This notification serves as a vital prompt, informing you or your team members that a recurring task has completed its current cycle or is due to begin anew, helping everyone stay informed and on schedule. You can customize the message and recipients during this step, tailoring the alert to your specific needs. Finally, to activate your new automation and integrate it seamlessly into your workflow, click on the Create Automation button. This step finalizes your configuration, saving the automation and making it live. From this moment on, Monday.com will automatically send notifications based on your specified status changes, providing a clear and reliable system for managing recurring task alerts and reminders. This fundamental automation enhances your workflow with automated notifications,